everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to show you one stroke painting design using simple round brush technique. Okay friends, let's quickly check out the material. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. It's a liquid acrylic color, so no need to add more water with this. A glass of water, tissue paper, photo sheet and a steel plate. I'm using steel plate as a palette. You can clean it up easily and reuse it. First you need to clean the brush before painting. I'm using blue color, sap green color, yellow color and pink color for this design. First you need to add water with the blue color. Mix it properly to get the smooth consistency. You load the brush properly and take pink color on the tip of the brush. Just press the brush and pull it up. Press and pull it up. You can use this method to make the flowers as well as leaves also. You can use different color combination and compose the designs. Here I am going to continue by adding more leaves with different color combination and delicate branches which could connect the leaves and flowers together. I'm showing you some bookmark designs using the same method. I think this video might be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, friends. See you again. Bye.